Hey, I am Fish. I don't work for Insta360. I'm not a beta tester for them, but I am what is called the guinea pig right now. And they're asking me, Lillian, to test out my camera and show the issue. So let's turn you around, repeatedly trying to do this. The first concern is when we have our lanyard strap, it's always in our way to charge. When we plug in the charger, we have a red indicator, everything goes off, and then back on. We're charging. With firmware 1.0.47, the indicator went out. With firmware 1.0.283, it will stay lit. This will be fully charged. Over time, this will go out after so many recharges. We now have a USB-C cable. When I plug in here, this will go orange and then green when fully charged. Even when the camera was used and everything's on the side soon after, like right now. When I plug in, you're going to notice that this is going to be auto on. It wakes the camera up as you saw. It's blue and flashing and turns the camera on. What we can do is hit the on and off button, long press, so you feel a long beep. We're disconnected, and so many attempts, I'm already charged on green. Now I could shut everything down so it could properly do its charging. What I've noticed is, after the firmware was loaded, that was the first issue. And why is this waking up when this communication is secretly talking to one another that we don't see? Let's open up the camera. Let's swipe down. And please be careful not to hit anything that's going to trigger to a different screen. And go over to the wireless mic. The Mic Pro here says tap to connect. Well, let's hit the three little dashes and delete off the device and get rid of it. And now we no longer have the microphone hooked up. Now let's shut down the camera. And I'm only doing this to show you that when we plug in, we should go to the green light. The screen came on, the camera comes on, and the microphone comes on. This was just disconnected. Let's go back in and swipe down, swipe over, wireless mic, microphone 1, microphone 2, and click. This is not connected. So let's shut down the microphone and shut down the camera. We need to long press because it won't shut off during the settings. And our microphone is fully charged. We are 1% away for the light shutting off. We have communication with the microphone and the camera. No matter what we do when plugging in, they are still talking to one another. We are now at 100%. Normally when it sees the 100%, this will eventually go off. The light, 2 minutes later, is off. Isn't it just amazing that this is one trouble with firmware 1.0.283? Feel free to take the serial number and the firmware number, and that is what we have on this camera. There is really no need for a log to show this issue and how it works. Please find a solution and a resolution to the problem. I'm Fish, and thank you very much for helping out. 1, 2. 1, 2. And yeah, go figure.